Hello everybody, today we're gonna make apple cake without oven. Let's start. First we need one piece of apple to cut in this way. I leave it with the skin. Who don't like the skin can clear it. First step, in the pan we add melted butter. After we add 1 spoon of sugar and we start to add the apple like circle. Now we move it, we take one pot, we add 1 piece of egg, we add 2 tablespoons of sugar, 4 tablespoons of oil, half teaspoon vanilla and 150 ml milk. We mix it well and we continue. Now we add 2 tablespoons flour with 1 tablespoon of baking powder with little salt. We mix it and we add another 2 tablespoons after the last 1 tablespoon of a flour. Totally we need 5 tablespoons of a flour. We mix it very well. We leave it in the fridge for 10 minutes and we go to another step. After 10 minutes, we take it from the fridge, we add to the apple. Now we cover and we leave it in the low heat for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes will be cooked. We can understand when we touch up. If no stick, the meaning cooked. We take it to another side. We cover and we leave it for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, it's ready for serve. We add some jam with some nuts, can add honey, can add chocolate, everyone what he like it. Hope everybody like our recipe today. Thank you for watching. See you for next video.